Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome to this vlog. I'm very special, and guys, I thank God for the gift of life. So it's early morning over here, East Africa, Kenya, Nyabansi village to the world. So right now I'm just in a different place, but you watch most of the time this place, and maybe except in my part of my videos. So today I'll give you a small quick tour of this place, and I want to know this place how have been calling, or they're having their names or estates names. And actually for me, I see just like a business place, restaurant, because simply because I see the table here and some plates. You see that being said here, so maybe somebody taking cafe here, I don't know. But the guy who I'm going to meet on this place, he will explain me a little bit, and then as we go. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. I really appreciate for the love and support that you show me day by day, and I'm grinding hard here and there. Imagine during 19th century, back years, our parents built the house like this, I'm telling you. So simply because nowadays most of the people improve, maybe from analog life to digital life, building maybe some semi-permanent house, permanent house, tall building. It's because most of the people maybe get employed, and to be honest, if you build maybe tall building, permanent bungalow, we'll never forget our culture behind. So we put our culture first, and then things start falling like that way. And I don't want to forget, I came with my bike here, just over here. And actually, remember, there's a tarmac road here before I'm heading this way. Oh, tuk-tuk. Anyway, guys, this is a tarmac road, connect from the main road from Nyabohanse going this way. Actually, this road we can use going to Migori, and then from Migori going to, there's some place known as Kehancha. Wow, that's tobacco transportation, which are very, very illegal. Like, it's harmful, not illegal. It's harmful in human body. So anyway, guys, I'm coming this place, and I want to give you exactly quick tour for this place. Wow. Hey. So let's go and see what's going on. And the advantage to stay near the road, you have free electricity cable you can drop, and also I see the Wi-Fi, public Wi-Fi. The first cable, it's public Wi-Fi. Imagine, guys, look at this beautiful, amazing place, and they're having light over here. Let me see. Oh, it's not changing light. Oh, one main switch, like this one on down right there. Oh my god. So guys, technically I'm waiting the guy to finish what he's supposed to finish, and we continue with our story. Man, I'm telling you, I'm sitting here, I feel like I'm in coastal beaches, like having fresh air. Imagine, guys, it's when it's hot, these are a grass on the rooftop, it creates the coldness. Actually, during the night, it's compressing the moisture. Look, that car passing there, it's compressing the moisture at night. And then during the day, like today, it's hot here, and then you have a fresh air and stuff, you know. So probably, imagine, guys, hey, this is a simple life. you are eating here, maybe cafe or maybe anything, charging phone here. Hey. Hey, this soft life. Have table for the serving. So guys, let me know in the comment section, what do you think about on this vlog. Actually, from here I'm heading to Nyabuhanse and then buying some bread because my mama sent me bread for our breakfast. And on my today's vlog, I supposed to have some visitors at my home, so I didn't know the exact time, so I'm just wake up randomly, come to Nyabuhanse. So I want to make my issues 1, 2, 3 there, and then I go back home. So probably I'm not 100% sure whether they will come home or not yet. But if they will come home, you'll see them in my video. When they didn't come home, that's the end of my story. Because there's a time he makes some, let me say, like there's a time he was calling me and he wanted to make some videos with them, and then unfortunately I went to Kisumu City, the 3rd city in Kenya, and I went there for the couple of days. I came back home, and then because I have a lot of things to do here and there, and then I knew there's somebody make like called an order, like order, so they book an order so you can make videos together. But I supposed to be very careful who I make a video with, who or he or she, because sometimes we make videos with everybody and then somebody puts you in trouble. Hey, that's brother Dagi by his car passing there. So anyway guys, let's see. I think the guy have already arrived here. Wow. Oh.
Hello baby.
You good?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. This is a cafe?
Yeah.
You're selling cafe?
Yeah.
Even there's mandazi here.
Yeah.
All nuts. It's right there. Wow. How was everything? First introduce.
Hello guys, welcome back to Ero Baby's channel. I'm your boy here, Only Clinton, guys, from this side of East Africa, Kenya, Nyabuhanse. Welcome back to our Sunset Cafe.
Oh, this is our Sunset Cafe. Actually, the sunset from east.
Or you can Google, Google Sunset Resort.
Oh, because it's supposed to be Sunset Resort.
Yeah. You can.
And guys, the crazy thing is when the sun sets, it's rise from east, set toward west. Wow.
Yeah.
How was everything?
Everything's good. I'm just started making coffee, tea, and mandazi.
So here is coffee.
Yeah.
And here is tea.
Yes.
All right, I get you. And have a nice flower here for the beautification of Sunset Cafe. And how much did you sell mandazi?
10 bob.
Maybe somebody's sitting outside there watching this video for the first time, and they want to know the price of maybe mandazi. Mandazi is a Swahili words,
Yeah,
but at the same time it means snatch. So how much do you sell like one mandazi?
One mandazi is 10 bob.
10 bob.
Yeah.
It's equivalent to $0.001. And
coffee 10 bob, 20.
so coffee is 10 bob. This 1 cup.
No, I balance.
You balanced.
Yeah.
So per day unauzaje hii coffee?
E.
Yes guys, I'm telling him per day how much did you offer or how much did you sell on this 1 thermos flask coffee?
You know, I like when I started cooking, I didn't sell or ipina baki. Yani sasa sikuwa napata hesabu kamili. Ni watu muda wako wamezoea kukuta.
So nowadays people came
Yeah.
in the evening time and a normal day like this.
Yeah.
So for example, apart from the coffee here, we have the tea here.
Yeah.
How much did you sell on one cup like this? And I'm telling you guys, it's so big. You see how the image of this cup looks like? It's so big. How much did you sell?
I sell 20 bob, but I jai.
Why? So apart from coffee, tea,
Yeah.
20 bob?
Yeah.
You sell milk tea or black tea?
Milk.
Milk tea. Wow. Okay. Those are nice business.
Yeah.
And even here you have the switch.
Yeah.
Why don't you put maybe the lights like this one, but at a different time it can change some lights, maybe blue, green, red, white.
Slowly, bro. You know, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. So everything is coming slowly.
So this is where we cook mandazi,
Yeah.
and we have the cooking stuff right here, and inside we have the cooking oil. Whoa.
Yes.
Yeah. Business.
Slowly, bro.
It's slow, no pressure.
No pressure.
I know for the starting point, it's somehow hectic
Yeah.
here and there. But if more people know this place, they will come day by day. And then you realize a day like this, you can sell these 3 thermos flasks for the tea and the 2 thermos flasks for the coffee.
Yeah. Even me, I can't quit. I want to make sure every day I cook mandazi and tea I put here. Even
Like-
people, kama watu watakuja ama wakuji, we never quit.
Yeah, never quit.
Then I know people
never
is
lose
passing
hope.
every day is seeing like, I see that person, there's something there.
For me,
Let
I'm
me
telling
go
you, for the starting,
Yeah.
it's somehow hectic. But if you have that dream to have a business, never quit. So
Yeah.
for example, today you can sell this mandazi, the following day you can sell it mandazi.
Yeah.
You know, even right now you have the customer. They need mandazi for sure. I'm telling you. So you have the like hook force.
Yeah.
This is a nice place, I'm telling you, because our entire village who coming from down, they come and buy mandazi here. Anaonekana mtengeneza mazuri, vinaonekana kisura. Siku hizi sipendi mandazi.
Hey. Yeah, come on. That is it.
Taka
Unajua
chai.
kuna chai ya maziwa. Nakupea. Ngapi?
20.
Anakufungia.
Nakufungia karatasi.
Maisha ni magumu
Yesu unamfungia napelekea watoto.
na haso, maisha ni magumu.
You are hustling? So imagine guys, he bought and then he want to take the kids. Unapelekea watoto? Amani yao ya kunywa.
Uwe note nipelete kikombe.
Kikiende kipasurio mwenzangu, sina
Sasa
pesa.
hii tutaweka hapa, tuwezi funga hapa.
Baba, hatuni ndaro ni
Funga hapa
tirani.
itoboke.
Amfungi, ona, eka karatasi mbili. Valisha mbili umweke ndani. Ni kwa amekwambia naweza enda labda watoto wapaswe kikombe.
Mimi sina hela bwana. Nataka ni unifunge.
Mpe karatasi nyingine sasa vali.
Sisi hata nenda hapa karibu.
Ni karibu lakini tampasukia. Chai ni moto.
Tutachoma.
Wow, that's tea. And she bought 2 mandazi for their kids. Hi.
Something like that.
It's good maybe. For me, I love how our mothers take care of their kids here and there. So, Clinton tattoo here around. This is the flower. I found them falling down.
Oh.
Wow.
How do you want to start?
I want to see even you have some different project here and there, apart from Sunset Cafe.
Apart from that, we have here another shade for my private. When like you, when you came, you don't want to sit
There.
up there.
I don't want maybe to intermingle with some customer.
Yes,
Mhm.
you came and sit here.
Okay.
I put some benches here.
Okay.
Yeah.
A nice idea. And what is this?
Here we have toilet and the place we put this one.
Tank. Okay, in top you put this one.
This one here.
So for me, up and down will be maybe a store.
Maybe, yes. Something
Yeah.
like that.
In fact, I like the way you build the pillars.
Even this one. Yes.
Oh, this is the toilet, both of two.
Yeah.
And then maybe this one could be the washroom.
Well, yeah.
Unit
Maybe.
bath.
Yeah. And even we're going to have another house
On top.
on top.
Yeah, that's a good idea because most of the time people improve in terms of building and construction.
Yeah.
You know, so even it could be maybe old days people could build and then putting iron sheet on top, but nowadays you can build down here. You have the washroom and toilet. On top you can put, and it's a big house on top.
Yes.
Imagine 2 rooms, trust me, on top. And then you have the staircase, metallic staircase going top, and then you enjoy the life.
Yeah. Everything's going to be slowly.
Yeah, slowly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Even we start waiting to when we finish to build this toilet, we start cooking with that
And the nyama choma.
and meat.
Nyama choma is barbecue, guys.
Yeah.
So, Clinton, for me, congratulations for the work that you are done as a company, you and your friends. Osea.
Yes.
Actually, guys, I came here randomly. We didn't plan. And there's a time I told Hosea, one of these days, I'll visit you. And then Hosea think that I'm joking. But by bad or good luck, I found one with Clinton.
Yeah.
So Clinton, me, I'm going to Nyabuhanse.
Yes.
I'm going to buy bread.
Yes.
You know, because I could buy mandazi, but I personally, I didn't like mandazi. Because apart from my family, they like mandazi. So if you have somebody didn't like mandazi, they maybe, for example, I like bread and chapati. If you could cook chapati, I could buy for you, like promote your business.
Yeah.
But in the evening, I will come and
I
promote.
know when you came like this one, there are some days you're gonna come with your
Yes.
friends.
So here, we prepare barbecue.
Yes.
Hey, man, na hapa ni pani
Itakuja kuwa kama store.
store.
Yeah, like kuweka kutunza vitunguu, nyanya, itatolewa tuweke zile drawer za.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is a barbecue place. Yeah. This life. All right, Clinton. Yeah, you continue hustling.
Yeah, let me continue hustling here.
So me, I'm going to Nyabuhanse. Yeah. I'll see you later, bro. Okay, bro. All right, guys. Right now, I'm heading to Nyabuhanse. You have already know. For the first time, I visited Sunrise Cave within here. So this is my bike here. I'm supposed to put the key and ready to go. Whoa! Oh, guys. Somehow it's a hard day recording this video, so I've already put it on. It's time to go, guys. Thank you so much. I left that place, Sunset Cave, right there. So right now I'm heading to Nyabuhanse. guys, I'm heading to Nyabuhanse, and I want to make shopping here and there. At the back, I carry wallet for sale. So we're heading this way. If you said hamaga huku, nilimekuja hayuku. Ose alitoka gapi? Simple life in Nyabuhanse village. So let's go. That road heading to Briska. Whoa. This is how Nyabuhanse village looks like, guys. I'm telling you. It's a small village, but a popular in the world. Whoa.
Anakuwa kama ule mwingine. Hata unajua kati ya mimi na wewe vijini ndani ya mimi.
This is Nyabuhanse for you. We have the tractor right here. Sasa mimi nataka kushukia hapa basi.
Hakuna shida.
Guys, I'm heading right there to buy some bread. Stay tuned. More amazing videos coming. Wow, guys. So it's all morning. Let me see what's going on outside. So this is the part of the videos actually. So I'm just around here, and it's all morning. In Africa, Kenya here, guys. You can see the beautiful car. Say hello. Hey. Bruno, morning. Morning, Bruno. High five. High five. High five. Right. So it's all morning over here. So my mama prepared something inside here, and some milk tea. Actually for the breakfast, and sometime maybe it's covered lunchtime. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
So guys, let me take you outside and see. That's my mama. So prepare the breakfast. Guys, to be honest, on today's vlog, I'm not sure 100%, but I'm supposed to have the visits around my home. So it depends. When they arrived at my home, I'll make the video. When they didn't come at my home, maybe you'll see them tomorrow. But actually, he make a call on my previous day, but on today, on Monday, maybe 50-50, they will come or not. So it depends. Wow, how it's go. So let me check the toilet there, and maybe whether we have enough water. And guys, remember, in my village here, it's a cooling cheap place. I'm telling you, like yesterday I went to Tanzania. I make some shopping for my mom, a small shopping like sardines, tomatoes, onions. And technically, when we born, I had Tanzania. I think it's far away from where I live, but the more days goes, I grow up, I realize Tanzania is just within here. Even I can walk like 30 minutes up to border town, and then I cross to Tanzania. Probably Tanzania, it's the part of the country which have been colonized by Germany. And that being said, if you want to know the country which colonized by the Germany, it's the most popular country which speaks Swahili. For example, guys, I was born and raised in Kenya. I'm in Kenya by citizenship. And the part of Africa, especially in Kenya, they were being colonized by colony British. And that's how, if you are born in Kenya and raised, if you didn't went to school, a little bit, you can use a small knowledge to speak English, like not too, like not fluent English, like roughly English. For example, maybe you can know greeting, maybe buying this and this. You can know this is bread. You can know this mandazi. You can know this tomatoes, and it's the power that our old parents who born in 19th century, they were being colonized by the British, and that's the reason why maybe most of the Kenyan know how to speak English. And that being said, in Tanzania also, there is some people migrate from Tanzania, came to Kenya, learn in Kenya. And I remember in my primary school, in my primary level, actually we learned with Tanzania, simply because they will be born, those guys, they will be born in Tanzania and raised there. So they came in Kenya maybe to learn in Kenya, to know English, and to have both two similar, both English and Swahili. But probably they succeed. Also have a friend of mine who succeeded in life. Imagine, I'm telling you guys. And probably in Kenya here, maybe we learn English and French. French, English, only two things. Maybe most of the people who went for the bigger school, they learned French and English. So, like that way. So anyway guys, on today's videos, we flow the vibe to the end, and actually that being said, I'm waiting the visitors. So I'm just 2 in 1. Whether they will come or not it. So when they will come, we just follow the vibe. When they didn't come, that is the end of the story. So I came here to see how this structure is. And to be honest, I'm thinking to put a small grill door here. Because, you know, in my home here, it's just like an empty compound, especially outside. So maybe I will put here the small grill door, which it's reach around maybe 5 feet, to avoid to be honest, to avoid maybe night run and all stuff, you know, here. And also for the protection, apart from that, you know. So I'm thinking to put the grills here. Maybe it will start from, I don't want maybe that grill to touch this these tiles. So they will start outside here and come this way, and start from here up that way, and then I put something on top, so probably for the protection. And let's see, it's a clean, and I'm using the sandals for this toilet. I left my shoes outside there, as you can see right there. So simply because to maintain the toilet to be clean and to avoid maybe destruction of the tiles. Sometimes maybe it's raining here and there, and then maybe somebody wants to come to the toilet. You have like your shoes walking outside, it's full of mud, and then here we have tiles, so they will make maybe tiles not to rust long time. And apart from that, to avoid maybe cleaning every day, I'm telling you, since my mama cleaned this place, it's clean. Look, it's clean. Oh, there is water here, and I'm telling you, 24 hours this toilet should be clean, and it's my mom's toilet. For me, I recognized my mom should never joke around. So I think we have air fresh, known as Stella. You do like this. And then the toilet will smell good. So probably like previous day, I had here one padlock, as you can see, and this one here. So this one already have the padlock, so I'm thinking to buy the padlock of this door. Wow. So another way, let me take you around as we see how the days go. I'm telling you. So this is the part of my beautiful home. This is what I'm calling home, guys. Maybe one day, if you came to Africa and you visit me in home, especially in Kenya, you visit me in my home, you will see those things that maybe you are seeing on TV. On that day when you came to Africa, you will see. And guys, to be honest, I'm praying one of my fun one day could become in Africa, and they will prove wrong. So probably I'm harassing maybe to build my mama dream house, and maybe to have the part of accommodation room for my visitors, any visitor who come to my home. Wow. Hey, have the birds here. So technically, let's see how things go. It's a chilling place, and yesterday I make some small shopping for my grandma, and she appreciates. So I supposed to do much as I can, but because of money here and there, and you know, guys, how I was struggling, maybe make sure our brother and sister went to school, make sure my family have food, you know, and then I feed the gas. I myself, I need to do this, you know. At the same time I forget, but my mama give her the food, I'm telling you. So that's my home, that's my grandma home. Over there, that's my grandma home. But the reason why being, I'm heading this way in case I meet a new subscriber. You have already know what I'm running through. And guys, if you wanna support on today's videos, please support. Love is for free. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. So I have the balance stones here, of which I bought like 6 months ago, and I was using when I was constructing the toilet where it came from. And imagine, material never rust, never went wrong, like, you know. So it stay here until when I'm starting building my mama dream house. Maybe I could add one tip, one road or one tip. It depends how maybe recalling the place where you are. So this one here is a balance stones. Maybe they will use for the compact on the floor, and probably I'm on the process of buying materials here and there to make sure that my mama, they're in good condition, good environment. And I'm not saying like we are living in bad condition, but we try to change the narrative day by day. And for me, I feel so good when I make such improvement day by day. And guys, if you don't want to believe on me, go and watch my videos since my memorial when I started my journey up to now. You will see, guys, nothing hide anymore, and I'm just following the vibe. And guys, today I want to give two main international some shout out. Guys, if you are from my side, go and check Aisha Wine and Twin Sister TV. Kindly, guys, I'm repeating this from the bottom of my heart because that family, they're part of my close family, and also you guys, if you're watching my videos, you're the part of my family. So go and check Aisha Wine and Twin Sister TV, subscribe, show them some love. And also I would never forget Monkey 23, guys, because nowadays when you see I'm going around looking for the content with the bike, it's because of the hard working of Monkey. All the way from US, came in the year of 2023, I think 2023, yeah, 2023 surprised me that a motorbike, although it's not a brand new, but we appreciate what we have been given. And nowadays it's helping me around. Go and check Monkey 23, subscribe to his channel, tell him I came from Hello Baby. It's good to share with one or two people's some love, and that's how we keep pushing in this world. Although in this world life is short, but we try to keep making some improvement, right, left, center. You know, for me, I thank Almighty God. Nowadays my life starts transforming slowly, and this video that I made, it one day it will pay me off, and I'll start enjoying here and there, and that is it. That's the simple life. So today I don't want to go on. Let me go this way as we're taking you around and see how things go. So this material which I bought for my mama, and this is 4 lorries here. I'm trying to add 2. That being said, every day when I get money anytime to close this chapter, you know. So it's a long distance, it's 1,000 milestones, but it keep pushing me to do day by day. And it's because when I get money, small amount of money, I keep pushing in terms of building and construction. That being said, for those people who are building their homes, they really know how hectic, how tough things they are, especially buying materials here and there. Imagine, I'm alone here, but guys, you're amazing to me. You advise me every day, and for me, I can't take things for granted. I take your comments serious. So for me, nothing more hide. Nowadays, it's my family that made me to work so hard, to go through harder, like buying materials here and there. And one day you'll see building my mama dream house, and guys, you'll celebrate. See how the African cow grazing here. Look, simple life in the village. But our cow, guys, I'm telling you, I'm not aggressive. We have our village cows crowded there, and we call the herd. It's herd of the cow, maybe the group of cow. It's known as maybe herd. Not like we have two terms, meaning it's harder. We have hard of cow. Like I want to put that word in terms of group of the cow. So that's my grandma home, that's my dad's home. When I'm on the other side, I've already shown you. And guys, the good thing, I appreciate my brother. When we are young, they plant these trees earlier than me. On the other side, I plant too late, but you have already seen where the birds camp and sing melodious song. So this tree is for my brother, and we talk about the issues of building my mama dream house. So this one, maybe in June or July, I'll start cutting them and splitting timbers one by one. So maybe when I finish these issues of building my mom's dream house, when it reaches the time for putting the roof, maybe I'll have a little bit timbers and then I'll buy the rest of them. Imagine this house. I saw in the comment section, one of my subscribers advised me, don't demolish. I'm telling you, if you see this round that have been fenced here, you see, this is the post and this is the barbed wire. So when going this way, it's our neighbor's land. When going that way, it's our land. So here, it's my dad's shares. In the middle, it's my uncle's shares. In the last one where I put some material, it's my uncle's also shares. So according to our culture, if you are last born, you stay with your mom. Welcome. And I hope you. Ene tochona.
Eh.
Pon ene hope here. Sasiro mobas.
Ata, mamaso hiyo tomanyiri gatambuti kona chiri. Tomanyiri.
Ni wera pari gituri hano.
Eh. Tulikuwa kwa sherehe bana.
Hai.
Sehemu fulani bana.
Guys, you remember this guy? He was my neighbor. And actually, the brother who make for me some bricks for my mama, he was the brother. And at the same time, when I brought some materials like tiles, iron sheets, cement, he was the one who assisted me to offloading, and then I give him something. Hey, what I? Why are you doing moi? Who say look? So that being said, for example, if you have a huge piece of land and I have so many son, you can give each son according to the partition. Maybe it's 100 by 100, 100 by 50, you know, like that way. So for example, in the middle there, on my grandma, there's a time maybe the party going on there, go and watch my videos. So actually my brother to my dad, he was the last one staying with her mom, and there is our second, you know, my dad is our first born, we have the second born. So the second born brother for my dad staying in Tanzania, and I'm planning one of these days, it depends, I will try to visit him and you'll see. Wow. So on this Christmas holiday day of 2024, before ended, we're celebrating with her here and there. Even on my birthday season, you can go and see him, how like we done some crazy happy birthday to me, like pouring for me water. You'll see like a strong man pouring me water. That's brother to my dad, and that is it. So anyway, guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming from here, guys. Alright guys, I'm just over here, and today it's supposed to rain right now, and actually I'm just within here. Wow. So let's see how things go. You good? Say hello. Alright guys, so let's go and see how things go. Wow. Okay. I'm telling you guys, so right now it's almost lunch. I left this place and I'm the one who have the key for at home. Look at this, guys, and it's lunchtime. I supposed to buy bread for my brother and sister could be enjoy. So right now I'm rushing from this place. Actually, in case you're new here and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Technically, if you doesn't have clue for the first time where I am, I'm at Congrats Mom's home right now, and technically I'm rushing home because the time is so limits. Imagine, guys, I have the key, I forget. Like today is a normal day. My brother and sister went to school, so they're supposed to eat something. Wow, how am I going to do? So let's do this. Let me rush home. At the same time, I'm waiting David Jr. from right there. So to see, man, I'm so kind of confused to have the key and it's lunchtime. This is another story. I'm telling you, man. This is another story from me. Imagine, and it's supposed to rain right now. So as the maze come, imagine, guys, I have the key here for the gate. Oh. Yes, hold for me as we go.
All right. David Jr. here. Subscribe to Hello Baby's YouTube channel. He's telling me he's heading home. He has the only key for their gate and he forgot. Wow. So let's go.
I'm telling you. Yeah, I touched my pocket. I have the key. And no one is at home.
No one?
No one.
Your mom?
My mom, she went somewhere else.
Hey. So he needs to rush. Needs to rush home. And it's about to rain, guys.
Yes.
You can tell. Yeah, let it rain, honestly, because it's dusty right now.
Imagine, supposed to buy the bread.
Oh, you want to buy the bread? Yes. Now you can send it to your sister.
Yes.
But when you are free, maybe I leave for you this container. When you are free, you'll go there, you get some petrol. Maybe you come with it towards at around, I don't know. When you are free. But your phone is off.
I was charging.
Vipi mra?
Mambo?
Poa. Vipi? Mnaishia wapi? Si tunaenda hivi, tutapatana.
Sinakuja hata ningoje gari niende mchana.
Acha si tuende. Tuko poa kabisa. Yule tulimwacha tu. Alright guys, so we keep going. I think we should get you a chest protector. You know what a chest protector is?
It's a jacket.
Yeah.
Long jacket have the chest.
Exactly.
Even you must have one.
Oh, pass here, baby.
At the back?
Yeah, at the back. I'm really... Okay, pass here, I'll show you. Let's go. Here. Yeah. Alright guys, we keep going. People always hassle me here in the village, so to make things not complicated, pass here. Hello, baby, is there a way like, okay, yeah. Actually, this heads to your home. Yeah. You'll just pass where they tax. No, let's go with this one. Because I'm really avoiding someone. Oh.
That's the direct.
Okay. Let's go. This is where we always wash our cars. Yeah. Be careful. Right now, you have to be very careful. This kind of machine. Okay. Just relax. Guys, this is Nyabohanse village market, I mean. This is how it looks like. Nyabohanse market. This is how it is. Nyabohanse to the world. I feel like these days Nyabohanse is so well known. Yeah. Okay, just do it. This video is raw, edited and uncut. I'm not cutting anything. So the baby wants to buy bread. Okay, just buy. So this is the shop. This is what you prefer?
Yes.
Super
$1 and it's for lunchtime, I'm telling you.
Okay. You've already paid?
Yes, I pay.
Okay, let's go.
Gali Norusungoro.
You okay? Okay, let's go. Imagine. Hello, baby. Today you made a big mistake. Today on the video you say I made a big mistake. I'm sorry. Actually, guys, this is the school that we went through. True story. But these days things have really changed. We didn't wear long trousers. For us it was shorts. But these days things have really changed. You may get your sister back to school on this road. Do you have tea?
Yeah.
Funny, what's the time, hello babe?
It's around 1:20 p.m.
I think you'll take her back with the motorbike. Yeah, this is the school that we went through. But these days things have really transformed. Okay, guys. But the baby didn't like school anymore. He used to go to the forest. Okay. You may find your sister on this road. Right now? Oh, he's right right here.
Unigiri-san. Learning a new voice.
He always goes with it.
Yes.
It's so lucky. Because during our times, when you get such a bicycle, you feel so good. This is Hello Baby's home. Where is she? Because we didn't see her on the road. Where is she? Your sister?
Just around here.
No.
Even my mama put here some maize.
Because the home was locked.
Yeah.
Okay, has to open. Now you need to get this maize inside.
This one. This one we'll get later.
Now where is your
What am I doing? Tayamba muberekere. New bicycle. Say hello as you go.
Hello.
You enjoy soft life. Kwani akioturigie no sono sari? Huh?
Well, baby, you know how to ride a bike.
I know.
You know how to ride a bike.
Yes, I know how to ride. So call my sister. Come and eat lunch. Guys, today I make a big mistake. I'm telling you.
And you are sorry.
Yes, I'm sorry. Imagine. This is our lunch for my brother and sister.
Right here, guys.
Imagine. Okay, let me bring a wheelbarrow. So you're
Yeah, you
assisting
need
my
to-
mama.
Yeah, you need to put this inside.
Yes.
Where is the wheelbarrow?
It's inside here.
Where is it?
Right
So
there.
this maize will put inside because of the rains.
Uh,
Where?
Bruno. Okay, you can put here.
Here?
That's okay.
Huh?
You want to go outside?
The dog.
Yes. I'm assisting you to go outside.
Yeah. But be careful.
Calm down. Calm down.
Be careful.
I left you.
Or you should give it some food.
No, they want to go outside.
Then remove it.
Yeah. That's just what it said. You are fighting the dog here.
No.
Stop it! I get this.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright. Now he wants to check the corn.
Go there.
Alright. No. No, stop it.
They're afraid.
No.
One right there.
I'm always afraid with the dogs. No. Aramba. Stop it. Guys, it's about to rain, so we want to take the maize from outside. So let me help you. No. Get out of here. So this is the staple food. Maize or corn. So from here it will be grinded and you get the flour. But you know, for us, we harvested long time ago a little bit.
Like, if you
Even we've already even prepared the lands for planting. Now where is your sister? Because we didn't see them.
Or my mama take her to the small hotel. Because today, guys, I'm telling you,
You have a small hotel here?
maybe he take her to the Bahans.
Yabohanse? And you didn't have your phone.
So I supposed to buy another padlock. Everyone to have the key.
Yeah, their own key.
Their own key.
Alright, you can take these. Oh, there is no rain.
There is rain. Wait. Guys, don't mind, it's not heavy. Not too much heavy, guys. Because we have the wheelbarrow. You make work easy. I think because of rain.
So you just put it here
It's on top.
and then cover. These days they wear trousers to school.
Even I buy him new shoes. But
Yeah, I can see. Guys, when you're having these, you are a rich kid. Honestly, I'm telling you.
it's one more.
Because during our days having such shoe, you are a rich kid. I'm sure like for you didn't have that shoes.
No, I wear the second hand, I'm telling you.
For real?
I'm telling you.
You was the second hand shoe when you were in school?
When in school.
Did you have a bicycle?
No. I'm going by foot. And nowadays my brother, he's lucky.
Hey, he's having a bicycle.
My brother and my sister.
If someone could buy for you a bicycle those days,
Who?
you could feel so good.
Even mkulima.
Hey. But for him, he has a mountain bike.
Yes, it's a brand new. I bought that less than 2 days.
Hello, baby, how much does this bicycle goes for? I think I should buy.
15.
15,000. Actually, it's a nice bicycle.
For you,
or like this.
if you want a good bicycle for the exercise,
Oh, this is so good. Actually, I'll buy a bicycle.
just buy for $400. They have big tires. Hey, Bruno is enjoying here. Bruno,
That one has big tires is the best. So how do you remove this stand?
okay. Terahira mbele. Nenda tu mbele.
Wow, yeah, it's a nice bicycle. Hey, rich kids. Honestly, guys, having a bicycle, especially when you're in primary school,
No,
I hope he has the lock.
yes, they have the
Always
padlock.
Has the lock.
No, I'm trying this week
When he goes with it in school.
on Wednesday. I'll buy for him a padlock.
Yeah, because they can steal him. True story. But when he has that lock, good to go.
Yes.
True story. Yeah.
Because guys, he went to school like a rich kid. Imagine, I'm telling you, you can enjoy.
Yeah, I can feel it. It's
You go.
now, yeah.
Go on the road here. You going, coming back.
It's been a while since I rode a bicycle. Yeah, it's free. Guys, thank you so much for supporting us. But I know how to ride a
Okay, you go. Alright, so guys, right now it's time to take the maize. Imagine, because I supposed to buy another padlock. Each and everyone have one key. My brother, my mom, and I myself. Because today I make a mistake, and even I think even the visitor come here and I'm not around, but I probably things will be okay. So they are parking as I keep rolling these videos to the end. Make sure guys you left a sweet comment there, but on my videos it's depend. This is another mistake that I made. Imagine my mama come with maize, pull down here, I was not around. Okay, put on wheelbarrow. Put and then I'll push. Yeah. Okay. Tafuta kambu fungu. Usiri na nerte. Yandiki urusiri. Mandoro. So I want to tight and then I pull inside because I don't want them to get. Okay, hold for me a camera. Be this side. Okay guys, I want to put this. Oh guys, I'm coming. Step by step. Right. It's almost about to rain. Alright guys, that on. Imagine guys, today's today. I make a big mistake. I haven't knew this. And then we cover. So it's about to cover this. Man. Here you go. Okay, bring some stones. We want to cover guys. So it's almost to rain. And the stable food that you have here, direct from the farm, you grind it. If you're watching my videos, there is a time we have the machine here grinding my brother's maize, and then we have the corn. After that, taking the posho meal. From the posho meal, it's produced flour, and then we cook ugali, white ugali. The ugali that you see guys I'm eating day by day, it's came from this maize here. So maybe in case you're outside there and then you see hello baby eating ugali, and then you want to say, oh, hello baby is eating daily ugali. It's come from direct from the farm. I'm telling you guys, it's almost to rain right now. Even you can see the drop from the iron sheet, but I probably, oh, okay, thank you for your humble time. Okay, so it's neat. Okay, bring the stones. It's time to cover it that way. Even here, there wants to show you. Right, put stones as we continue. Okay, let's put the stones here for the wind blowing. Guys, I'm telling you. Okay, turn that wheelbarrow there. You will go to school?
Yes.
Okay, because you have the bicycle, you go. This is not a good time. Okay, you go. Guys, I need to wash my hand here. Anyway, guys, I'm supposed to look for my puppy and then tie them. Bruno! Guys, so I'm looking. Muita! Come. It's time. Go inside. Let's go. Let's go inside. Let's go. Let's go inside. Okay, bro. Tanyoshi nani here? Okay. Tanyoshi nyore. Hatara na you. So it's time to tie it, Bruno. Come on. Bruno. You don't want to come here. Oh, stop it. So, guys, when I get man this week, to be honest, I'll buy the neck belt for my puppy. You enjoy outside. Now you good. No pressure on that. Right, guys. Let me see David Jr. Okay, where did you put the bread? Okay. Guys, this is a small kitchen. The bread, which I bought for my brother and sister. But my sister, she was not around because she came and found me. I'm not at home. Unfortunately, I don't know where she's heading to with my mom. But honest, guys, today is a day in my life which I make a mistake. I'm telling you, free of charge. So we have a brand new motorbike here. Big shout out to the person who made it possible. Nowadays, congrats, Dad. Has brand new motorbike and it's 150cc. Umesikia? Hey. Hata hiyo saa mpaka mtu akae chini. Naweza mpasa aende shule ndo hiyo.
Ni kazuri.
Sasa no waru kugitiro igieru tami. Mahu kivre vai.
Wala tiyo haran tori to meni amushon tori.
Taringi ambe.
It's kid.
It save him time.
Ama angeirudisha. Sio nyororo ni kubwa, ungeirudisha kwa juu. Hivyo iko sawa? Hai.
He enjoy. Mbona naomba kiangokora? Sasa wameenda wapi? Tena nikienda na ufunguo. Guys, today.
Give a call to your mom.
My mom, she left the phone inside the house.
Now, what should you do?
I think I will go.
Or you should leave someone's...
No. I don't trust people here.
And it's raining. What do you think he might do right now?
Labda ameenda. Wewe tuende tu atakuja. This sweater for my mama. Stay the king. Let's have shelter inside the house. Utafunga gate. See guys, right now I cover the maize here. Today's today, guys. Guys, thank you so much. Keep it low. Mama is in this camera.